Hello, my name is Amina Dasuki, and this is the Chapter 6 presentation for functions. The main topic is trigonometric functions, but I'll like to put my main focus on radians measure and its conversion into degrees. Um, the justification for this is measuring of angles using radians makes mathematics and physics life a lot easier. For example, when making Y's derivative of trigonometric functions, it is very easy to use radian measures for angles. The mathematical significance of this used in trigonometry to make trigonometric differentiation easier. For instance, in radian, d over dx sine x is equals to cos x. But in degrees, d over dx sine x is equals to pi over 180 degrees cos x. The real-life application used in navigation problems such as sea navigation to measure angles. Okay, so what will be learned? A radian is defined as an angle extended by a length a equal to the radian, which is r. An arc length, which is a. Equal to the radian, which is r, given as a is proportional to r, and theta. So we have theta is equals to a over r. Therefore, theta is equals to 2 pi r over r. So your answer equals to theta is equals to 2 pi r. Using theta is equals to a over r, but theta is equals to 360 degrees. Therefore, 360 over 2 is equals to 2 pi r over 2, which will give you 180 as 2 here, 2 into 180. So that will be 180 over pi is equals to pi r over pi. So 180 over pi will equals 1 radian, as pi will cancel pi, so that will be your answer. Hence, conversion from radian to degree is by using this formula. So for the practical, the question is convert each of the following angles into radians. So the angle A is 20 degrees, while B is 2 to 5 degrees. So using the formula stated above, radius is always equals to 1. The radian is always equal. Pi radian is equals to 180. So you go on to then divide both sides by by 180. So your answer will be pi over 180 is equals to 180 degrees over 180 degrees. So therefore your answer will equals pi over 180 is equals to 1, as these two will cancel out. You then go ahead to convert by multiplying both sides by 20. So 20 degrees, for the answer of 20 degrees, your answer will equals 20 degrees times pi over 180. 20 will go in here 1, 20 will go in here 9 times, so your answer will equals pi over 9, and you put that in your calculator and it will give you 0.35 radian. For 225 degrees, you simply go straight forward to solve it, as we've already worked it out. So you multiply by by 225. So 225 excuse me, degrees is equals 225 times pi 180, which is equals to 5. By putting it into your calculator, you get 5 pi divided by 4, and then you go on to put this into your calculator as well, and your answer will be 3.93 radians. Question 2. Excuse me. Convert each of the following radians to degrees. Excuse me. Radians to degrees. So A is 5 pi 6 and B is 1.75 radians. So so this is for the A. Pi r over pi is equals to 180 over pi. So your answer will be 5 pi over 5 pi over 6 is equals 5 pi is 5 pi over 6 times 180 over pi. So 6 will go here 1, 6 will go here 30, and then pi will cancel out pi, so your answer will be 150 degrees. And for B, 1 radian is equals to 180 over pi. So 1.75 radians, 1.75 radians is equals to 180 over pi times 1.75. And if you put that into your calculator, your answer will equals 100.27 degrees. Thank you.